You aren't building projects anymore. You are paying crazy hourly rates to run in a training camp for rookies. Looking at CONEXPO, every new excavator is pushing 3D assist. Why? Because you can't find experienced operators anymore. You have to rely on the machine to turn a new guy into a veteran insistently. That's the ultimate pain point in North America right now. Labor is just too damn expensive. If your site still expects these green guys to figure out complex, outdated installation systems, you are just paying an inflation tax. Traditional edge protection means measuring, drilling, and locking down countless loose fittings. It takes the skilled guys hours just to set up one small section. But now, you are hiring guys on their very first day. You hand them a complex system, and they just guess, trial and error. Your expensive hourly rates are bleeding into their paid training. The only way to kill these hidden costs is to completely strip away the need to think on the site. Our system, zero blueprint reading, 2 posts bolted to the ground, drop the mesh over them and lock it. That's it. We used to be hours of torture is now a closed loop done in 10 minutes, even a total rookie. But don't confuse idle proof with weak. This 10-minute system bites down hard. It fully passes the brutal dynamic impact test of EN 13374. It doesn't just save you thousands in wasted labor. It gives you a bulletproof legal backing when an accident actually happens. So, to the procurement managements, still paying for complex junk without knowing what EN 1334 is, I've got one question. Are you just waiting for bankruptcy?